Do not, I repeat, do not be a part-time real estate agent unless you are able to stay focused and not make the same mistakes I'm about to share with you in this video. Here are the 3 things I found myself doing, and I want you to be aware of it. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty. I'm a certified home selling and buying advisor throughout LA, OC, and Riverside County, California. If you have not yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to follow me. I hate to admit it, but I found myself slipping a little bit this week. I'm thankful to have this channel and all you ladies and gentlemen as my accountability partner. So let's get right into it. Not prospecting enough. Prospecting is the lifeline of our business, and I only did no more than 10 plus calls this week. Very bad. I'm ashamed. How am I gonna get business if I don't make this a priority? If I can be honest, it's on my calendar, but I don't do it. I'm changing that today. Not tracking on my 100-point daily sheet every day. Typically every day I was shooting for 100 points, which averages will give me doing at least 10 high income activities. Now, being a part-time agent, I'm finding myself doing maybe doing 7 the most. Consistency, doing high level activity will help me and you achieve our goals much faster. And lastly, comparing myself with others. Be the best I can be. If I'm comparing myself to others, then I'm just putting myself in a negative mindset most of the time. Just keep improving every single day. So avoid these 3 mistakes as a part-time agent, and you should be on your way to being a full-time. That's my goal, at least. I hope you found a lot of value from today's video. Thank you, and smash that like button if this helps, and share this to someone who you know can help out too. Take care. See you on the next video.